Could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us. పొగ తాగటం మద్యం సేవించడం ఆరోగ్యానికి హానికరం. స్మోకింగ్ అండ్ డ్రింకింగ్ ఇంజూరియస్ టు హెల్త్.
It's a pleasure to welcome you all to this workshop on the ILO classification of chest radiographs for pneumoconiosis, guided by the standards of International Labour Organization. Today's workshop is not merely an academic exercise, it's a commitment to early detection, accurate reporting, and prevention of occupational lung diseases in our mining industry. As you all know, in industries such as mining and heavy manufacturing, pneumoconiosis remains a serious concern. The ILO classification provides us with a common language, one that ensures consistency, transparency, and scientific accuracy in interpreting chest radiographs. Through this program, we aim to strengthen diagnostic skills, standardize reporting practices, improve surveillance systems, and to enhance interdepartmental coordination. Let us use this opportunity to exchange knowledge, refine our skills, and reinforce our shared responsibility towards protecting the health of workers. I once again extend a warm welcome to all our distinguished speakers, delegates, and organizers. I wish the workshop a great success. Now it's my proud privilege to invite respected President of this function, Dr. R. Kiran Raj Kumar Garu, our Chief Medical Officer, SCCL, to kindly preside over today's program and chair the dais. I request Dr. S. Padmaja Madam to present a bouquet. With the support of and continuous guidance from our beloved Chief Medical Officer, the second zonal workshop came into force under the aegis of Director General of Mine Safety. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. It's a great honor for us to have such a distinguished personality among us today. I now request our chief guest, Dr. Kaushik Sarkar Garu, advisor of DGMS, to kindly grace the dais. Please, sir. Now I invite Dr. P. Ramesh Babu, sir, to present the bouquet. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. C. L.V. Suryanarayana Garu, Director Operations, CCL, to kindly grace the dais. Thank you, sir. I invite Dr. Usha Madam, Additional CMO, Main Hospital, to present a bouquet. Now I also invite Sri Sai Baba Saru, General Manager Safety, SCCL, to come on to the dais and occupy the chair. I request Dr. Mahipal sir to present a bouquet to Sai Baba sir.
Maior tão com muito tempo preço uma legenda. We welcome our beloved Director E.N.M. Garu Tirumal Rao Garu onto the dais, and also I request Dr. K. Vijay Kumar Garu to present the bouquet. Thank you, sir. So after the Jyoti Prajwalana, we request our Chennarlu to say Vigneshwar Sotam. We begin with the program with the Vigneshwar Sotam. I request all the Chennar from Nursing College to come forwards.
स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं महादेवसुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनटं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनटं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनटं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकादिप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकादिप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं
థ్యాంక్ యూ అమ్మా. ఆ చిన్న వాళ్ళందరూ ఒకసారి రండి అమ్మా. మీరు గ్రూప్ ఫోటో దిగుతారు కానీ ఇంత పొద్దున్నే వచ్చినందుకు విత్ అవర్ డైరెక్టర్స్. ఓకే, దాని మీద కూర్చోండి అమ్మా చక్కగా. ఓకే, పైన. వెరీ గుడ్. ప్రిన్సిపాల్ గారు రండి. Which is an important branch of the preventive medicine that focuses on the promotion, protection, and maintenance of the highest degree of the physical, mental, social well-being of the workers. Its application includes health promotion, specific protection, early diagnosis and treatment, disability limitation, and rehabilitation. The major tools used in occupational health are epidemiological methods, statistical analysis, health screening, and health education. Earlier, occupational health was mainly associated with factories and mines and was known as industrial hygiene or industrial health. Today, the concept has expanded to cover all sectors of employment and includes industrial hygiene, occupational diseases, industrial accidents, toxicology, occupational psychology, rehabilitation, and ergonomics. The main objective are to prevent work-related diseases and injuries, adapt work to the worker, and promote overall worker health and productivity, as emphasized by the World Health Organization and the International Labour Organization. The first zonal workshop was successfully organized at SRP area during 2nd and 3rd February 2030 with the support of our directors and Chief Medical Officer and the GM Safety and GM HRD, which laid a strong foundation for strengthening of occupational health practices in the mining industry. Among occupation diseases, pneumoconiasis continues to be the major concern in mining environments. It is caused by long-term inhalation of dust particles, and there is no definitive cure. Prevention and early detection are utmost importance. Early symptoms such as cough, breathlessness, chest tightness, and occasionally black sputum underline the need for continuous medical surveillance and timely intervention. Globally, the ILO estimates that about 2.3 million workers die every year due to work-related accidents or diseases. India, with a large working population, occupational health assumes a great importance, and particularly in organized sectors such as mining. To address these challenges, SSCL has implemented initial medical examination and periodical medical examination for all the employees. 11 occupational health centers have been established with the AFA certified doctors, trained staff, and essential diagnostic facilities, including 500 mA X-ray units, spirometry, audiometry, and other required equipment. Our guiding principle remains prevention is better than cure, and through systematic surveillance, we aim to reduce the incidence of occupational health diseases. The silent features of occupational health safety working conditions relevant to mines. The Occupational Safety and Health Working Conditions Code strengthens the occupational health systems in hazardous including mining by emphasizing provision of safe and healthy working environment, mandatory of medical examination and health surveillance for exposed workers, establishment of occupational health services and welfare facilities, hazard identification, risk assessment and preventive control measures, appointment of qualified safety and health personnel, maintenance of healthy records and occupation disease reporting, regulation of working hours and worker welfare measures, greater employer responsible prevention of the occupation diseases and injuries. These provisions strongly support structured occupational health programs in mining, reinforce preventive medical practices. So in this program also, we are to all we welcoming all the delegates and also with the continuous presence of the DMS Medical, Dr. Sarkar, and also I am confident that workshop will strengthen our commitment towards the safer minds, healthier workers, and effective prevention of the occupation disease. This workshop also nearly the 13 papers will be submitted by the eminent speakers. So there will be occupational health quiz, which will be conducted by Dr. Loknath Reddy, Ravindra, and Uday Kumar. For after completion of each topic, there will be occupational health quiz will be organized, and there will be first time in we are having the with the speakers and the control moderator also is present to monitor the progress of the speaking paper, and also there will be the first time in the mining also we are our thanks to our chief medical officer for granting the credit hours to the IMA to our 4 hours credit hours to our all the doctors, because each and every doctor should require 6 credit hours in a year, sir, to continue the registration of the our medical certificate. So with this, we request our chief medical officer, Dr. R. Kiran Raj Garu, to give his message of the importance of the second zonal workshop.
Esteemed GMs, doctors, and delegates from WCL, MOIL, and ESI, administrators, colleagues, and other staff members, and nursing students. Good morning to all. It gives me an immense pleasure and honor to speak on this occasion of conducting this workshop on the ILO classification of chest radiographs and occupational disease physicians, particularly the organization like in SCCL, which is where the mining remains the backbone of our operations. This international labor organization developed the international classification of radiographs of pneumoconiasis to standardize the interpretation of chest radiographs for dust-related lung diseases. This system provides a uniform method to describe the radiographic abnormalities, ensures consistency and comparability across physicians and institutions, enhances early detection of occupational lung diseases such as coal workers pneumoconiasis, silicosis, asbestosis. For physicians or occupational physicians or mining industry related occupational physicians working in mining environments, mastery of this classification is not optional, it is essential. We know that in the mining industry, the thousands of employees are exposed to coal dust and silica particles despite strong preventive measures. As occupational health leaders, our responsibility extends beyond treatment. We must ensure early detection of small opacities and large opacities and prevention of disease progression through timely intervention. Accurate medical surveillance, periodic chest radiography, screening programs, standardized reporting to avoid under or over diagnosis. These dedicated workshops are essential for the standardization of the reporting, hands-on training with LMO standard films, calibration sessions among physicians, and uniform terminology and grading practices, and skill enhancement. And every correct diagnosis, early diagnosis, prevents disease progression, protects livelihood, and reflects our commitment to worker-centric healthcare. And a well-trained occupational health team leads to reduced disease burden. For a public sector like our mining industries, this occupational health excellence is not just a regulatory requirement, it is a moral obligation. As a chief medical officer, I firmly believe that every occupational physician in SCCL should be proficient in ILO classification. Regular workshops must be institutionalized. Digital radiography and AI assisted interpretation should be integrated with ILO standards. Collaboration with national institutes should be strengthened. The workshop on ILO classification of chest radiography is not merely an academic exercise, it is a tool for early detection, a shield for worker protection, a foundation for legal compliance, a pillar of occupational health excellence. Let us reaffirm our commitment to scientific accuracy, ethical responsibility, and worker welfare. Through structured training and continuous learning, we can ensure that our medical services remain a benchmark in the mining industry. And sincerely, I thank my friend Dr. P. Ramesh for his dedicated efforts for conducting this program. He is continuously following me to organize the second journal workshop. So once again, thank you, Ramesh. And first of all, I would like to thank our management for granting the funds and permission to organize this program. And finally, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our dear sir, K. Kaushik Sarkar sir, for graciously accepting our invitation and coming all the way to the to be the chief guest. He is the driving force behind the starting of this OHS centers. Almost now we are having 13 OHS centers in the SCCM. This credit goes to our sir, Dr. Kaushik Sarkar sir. So I request all of you for today's session. We will learn something. It will definitely give some skill development and knowledge updation. Once again, thanking you for all your support and welcome our I forgot it, B.V. Rao, our my dearest friend. He also attended the program and is presenting one topic on the ophthalmology. Ophthalmology. Thank you very much.
Please like, share, and subscribe.